Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the name of a group on WhatsApp PC. We start by entering WhatsApp Web or the desktop app and opening the group conversation to edit. After that, click on the group name at the top. Here, next to the name, we will see an edit icon and click on it. Now we can write the new name of the group. Finally, to apply the changes, click outside the text box and we will see the change applied. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.